Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D3, chapter number 5, exercise 5D, that is about hire purchase. Very important and interesting topic and everyday life topic. In this lesson, you will be learning how you can buy the things in installments and hire purchase terms. So you have to watch these lessons carefully. Okay, let me move to question number 3, C part. Question 3 says, for each of the following, find the monthly installments and difference between the hire purchase price and the cash price as the percentage of cash price. As the questions are long, so I've written the questions in short form. Okay, let's move to the solution of the question. And in C part, the cash price is $1,200. Deposit or down payment is $200, and the remaining amount we have to pay with simple interest rate 15%, and time is 1 year in which we have to return that amount. Okay, let's move to the solution of the question. And the cash price is 1,200. The remaining amount is equals to actual price was 1,200 and we are paying the down payment or depositing 200. So 1,000 is the amount that we still have to pay. Okay, now what will happen with this 1,000? We have to return this 1,000 in 1 year, but we have to pay interest on this with the rate of 15%. So first of all, I have to find the amount of interest. So amount of interest will be equal to I equals to PRT upon 100, and principal is 1,000 and rate is 15%. Let me check it. It's always good to recheck the data before calculation. Multiplied by time, which is given in the question, is 1 year. Okay, and upon 100. Now these two zeros will be going and I will left with 10 multiplied by 15, and which is equal to 150. So 150 is the amount of interest that he has to pay. So the total amount that he has to pay is total amount to be paid, will be equal to 1,000, which was remaining, and plus 150. So it will take the form 1,000 plus 150, and this is dollar 1,150. Okay, it's the amount that he still has to pay. And now what is the time period in which he has to return that amount? That is a 1 year, that is equal to 12 months. So the first part is the monthly installment. So the value of monthly installment will be equal to monthly installment will be equal to total amount that he has to return upon time period 1 year or 12 months. So I have to distribute this amount 1,150 in 12 months divided by 12. So $95.83 is the monthly installment. I hope you are clear about the monthly installment. And the second part is difference between the hire purchase price and the cash price, okay, as the percentage of cash price. So for this problem, I have to first find the hire purchase price. So hire purchase will be equal to your down payment, that is $200 to down payment, plus amount with interest, and that will be equal to down payment is 200 and amount with interest for this situation is 1,150. Let me add them up. 200 plus 1,150, and that will give me 1,350 or 1,350 is the hire purchase. Okay, now we have to find the difference between the hire purchase and actual cash price. So the extra amount or additional amount, both have the same meaning. Additional amount will be equal to amount is the difference between your hire purchase 1350 and your actual price, which is 1200. Okay, 1315 minus 1200, and this is equal to 150, which is actually the amount of interest as well. Okay, 150. Now we have to find the percentage. So the required percentage equals to okay, additional amount upon actual price multiplied by 100%, and this gives me, this two zeros can go, and 150 divided by 12, and this gives me 150 divided by 12, and this gives me 12.5%. okay, 12.5%. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question. Okay, so a question says, answer the following question by referring to the advertisement. You must have watched these type of advertisement in the market or on the TV as well, that it's the advertisement of the laptop, that it was of 2198, but now the price of that laptop is 1798. Either you can give 1798 and you can get that laptop, or what you can do, you can get that laptop on hire purchase conditions, and in which you have to pay $55 monthly for 38 months, but you don't have to pay any deposit, or there is zero down payment. Okay, it's really important to read these short messages and understand the messages. Then find the percentage discount for the payment in cash compared to the original price. Okay, it's really important to understand. Find the percentage discount for the payment in cash as compared to original price. Okay, means that we have to find that if we are purchasing this laptop on cash price, then how much amount we can save, and then we have to express that amount as the percentage of the original price. Okay, then the second part is, what is the difference between the hire purchase price and the original price. Okay, and then how to get the hire purchase price will be obtained by multiplying 55 by 38. And then what is the rate of simple interest charged for hire purchase? Here in this question we have to find the rate of the interest. Okay, and we have to give the answer correct to three significant figures. So let's move to the solution of the question. Okay, the first part is that we have to find the percentage discount. Okay, the first part is we have to find the percentage discount for the payment, percentage discount for the payment in cash compared to original price. Okay, now the cash is 1798 and original was 2198. So the percentage discount will be equal to percentage discount is equal to discount over mark price multiplied by 100%. So discount, for the purpose of discount, I have to take away the 1798 from 2198 upon what is the original price, 2198 multiplied by 100%. Okay, let me find the difference. 2198 minus 1798, and this gives me 400. Okay, 400 upon 2198 multiplied by 100%. Okay, I have to mark the percentage sign, as the calculation is long, so you can use the calculator. Okay, 40,000 divided by 2198, and this will give me 18.19. Okay, 18.198, and this can give me 18.2%. that is the percentage discount, and this is the solution for first problem. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. Okay, then coming to the second part, the second part says, what is the difference between the hire purchase price and original price? Okay, now here we have to find the difference between hire purchase price and the original price. So first of all, we have to find the hire purchase price. Hire purchase will be equal to deposit or down payment plus amount in form of installments, amount in installments. So down payment, no down payment means that we are not going to give anything to the shopkeeper, 0 down payment, plus 55, okay, multiplied by 38. So 55 multiplied by 38 will give me $2,090. So the hire purchase is, so hire purchase equals to $2,090. I hope you are clear that how we are finding the hire purchase. And the question says difference between hire purchase and original price. So the additional amount or the difference, additional amount or the difference between hire purchase and the original price will be, okay, 2198 is the original price minus 2090. Okay, 2198 minus 2090, and this will give me 108. 108 is the difference between your hire purchase price and the original price. I hope you are clear about this question. And the last part says, what is the rate of simple interest charge for hire purchase? Rate of simple interest charge. Okay, recall the formula of simple interest, that I equals to PRT upon 100, and in this formula we have to find the rate of simple interest. Time is given in the advertisement. The time is equal to 38 months. So it's really important to convert the time period into years. So what we can do is that 38 months can be equal to 36 months, or in 2 months further. 36 months can give you 3 years, and 2 months will be 2 by 12, or 3 whole 1 by 6 and years. Time period is converted to us. And now what is the principle that is important, that what is the rate of simple interest charge for hire purchase? Now we are using the principle 1798, and then we cannot have two unknowns of the question, which as the requirement of the question is rate, so I must have the answer for I as well. Now how to calculate I? Okay, interest is the difference between your hire purchase and your cash price. So amount of interest will be equal to 2090, that is hire purchase, minus 1798. Okay, 2090 minus 1798, and $292 is the amount of simple interest. Now what I have to do, I have to replace the values in the formula, that I equals to PRT upon 100. I is 292, okay, and P is 1798. Rate is unknown, that we have to find. Time is 3 whole 1 by 6 years, or I can write it 6 is 18 and 1 19 by 6 and multiplied by 100 of formula. Now what we can do is we can shift this denominator, that is 292 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 100 equals to 1798 multiplied by 19 multiplied by R. Okay, now 1798 multiplied by 19 will give me 34,162 R, and I have to get the answer of this product as well. 292 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 100, and this gives me 175,200. Now what I have to do, I have to get value of R, so I will be dividing this 175 5,200 by 34,162, which is equal to R. Now I have to divide this value by 34,162, and the answer is 5.128. R equals to, let me move to this side, R equals to 5.128, or R equals to 5.13%. So the rate of the interest is 5.13%. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.